Remember and reflect on a significant and a somber event in our nation's history. On May 28, 1998, Pakistan conducted its first nuclear test in Chagi district of occupied Balochistan. This day marks a turning point that has profound and lasting impact on the environment and on people of Balochistan. As we commemorate this day, it is crucial to acknowledge and serve consequences of these nuclear tests. The immediate aftermath saw significant environmental disruptions with release of radioactive particles into the atmosphere. This contamination has had long-term effect on the health of the local population and on natural ecosystem. For years, residents of Chagi district and the surrounding areas have reported increased rates of cancer, birth defects and other serious health conditions. The fallout from the tests contaminated soil and water sources, leading to enduring agriculture and economical challenges for the local communities. Despite the passage of time, the scars have left by the nuclear tests remain, deeply affecting those who live in the region. The environmental impact is equally concerning because the unique ecosystem of Balochistan with its diverse flora and fauna have suffered from the radioactive contamination. Wildlife populations have been affected. The land itself bears the marks of the detonation. It serves as a stark reminder to the destructive powers of the nuclear technology and needs for a responsible stewardship of the natural resources. In addition to the environmental and health impacts, we must also address to the broader context of Balochistan's situation. Balochistan has been a site of ongoing conflicts and unrests. Many in Balochistan views the nuclear test as another instance of marginalization and exploitation of the region. Balochistan has long faced issues related to Pakistan's occupation with human rights abuses and genocide against the Baloch people. The Baloch struggle for autonomy and recognition and freedom has marked by violent repression, by the systematic repression. The nuclear test conducted without the consent and consultation of the local people symbolizes the discreet of the Baloch voices and rights. The fallout from these tests are not just physical but also political and social. As we reflect on the event of May 28, 1998, it is vital to acknowledge our responsibilities. This day should serve as a reminder of the need for justice and equity. Please listen to the voices of Baloch people, address our grievance and work toward future where all citizens are treated with dignity, respect, with freedom in free Balochistan. By learning from past and striving to correct its adverse effects, we can ensure a better and more just future for occupied Balochistan and end the occupation of Pakistan and Iran in Balochistan. In closing, May 28 is a day of deep reflection. It is a day to remember the suffering, to renew our community to justice and healing. Let us pledge. We need your pledge to work together towards a future where the pursuit of security and progress does not come at the expense of human life, where it does not come at the expense of human rights, where it does not come with the expense of environmental sustainability. We plea, as you have seen the consequences, the world has turned towards more modern and click-wise based information where you can click and you may find out the actual facts of a region which is suffering. The world has been studying, educating, and creating precautions to avoid to avoid nuclear attacks. What happened in Hiroshima? What happened in Nagasaki? It has recently happened in Balochistan. Not only the nuclear tests are being made, but the genocide is an open agenda, an open event which is going through every day. The people of Balochistan are suffering in slavery at the time of globalization. Well, the world have reached to the moon. Well, the world have reached to clicks. And we Baloch people are struggling, are striving to live. Doesn't Baloch life matter? Thank you.